Ever wonder how computers do the same task thousands of times? Well, the secret is loops.
Okay, so imagine you need to print hello 3 times. How would you do it?
You could, write the code once.
Then copy and paste it.
And again, but this gets messy, right? There's a much smarter way to do this.
And that better way is looping. Python has 2 main tools for this, for and while loops. Think of it like stamping cookies. It's just one set of instructions repeated over and over again.
All right, let's start with a for loop. This one's perfect when you know exactly how many repeats you need.
Here's what a basic for loop looks like. Let's quickly break down how this thing works.
First up, you've got the for keyword. That just tells Python to kick off the loop.
Then we have a variable. We're calling it number. It holds the current item we're looking at.
And the in keyword, it just connects that variable to the sequence we want to go through. And this list right here, that's the sequence. The loop will run once for every single item. Okay, but what if you don't know exactly when to stop? That's where our second tool comes in. And that's the while loop. It just keeps going as long as a certain condition stays true. So in this example, the loop will run as long as our little counter is less than 3.
A while loop needs a starting point. Here, we're just setting a counter to 0.
Then, before each run, it checks the condition. If it's still true, it goes again.
Now this part's key. You have to change something inside so the loop eventually stops.
See, whether it's a for loop or a while loop, it all comes down to automation.